What's up guys, welcome to this video. So in this one I quickly want to talk about paper trading. Now paper trading is actually a very interesting a way to trade, to just get yourself comfortable with stock market to a certain degree. So the idea of a paper trading is that it's basically like a fake kind of trading. It's not real money, and you can use it to test your strategies. You can use it to get more comfortable with making trades and stuff like that. But also I want to talk about like its limitations when it comes to how much it actually can help. So paper trading is something that is available pretty much in every brokerage account that you use, except Robinhood. I don't recommend Robinhood for day trading anyways. Please don't day trade in Robinhood if if you want to be serious about day trading. Don't do that. For example, in my case, I use a platform called Webull, and Webull does offer paper trading. So let me show you. So let me actually close this. There you go. So on the Webull platform, you can go to paper trading right here, and you can actually just paper trade. For example, you can buy, order, stuff like that. It's very cool. You can actually see your positions. For example, let me actually add a widget here, and let's find what is it? Positions. There you go. So there you go. So I just have a position here of SQQQ. Again, this is not real money. This is just fake, obviously. And I can just go here and I can maybe buy more, for example 50. Again, if you want to test this strategy, it's a very powerful thing, and it can actually be very useful. Now I want to talk about something very important, because a lot of people do paper trading, and also, by the way, you can use TradingView as well for your paper trading. So if you go to TradingView, you can actually just go right down below, do paper trade, connect to the paper trading, and you can just start doing some paper trade to test strategies. Now, one of the things I'd like to point out about paper trading, okay, is that a lot of people get caught up in paper trading and they feel very good about themselves. They see like, oh, they're making so much money and stuff like that. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to do day trades, and then they actually use real money and they end up losing a lot of money. Now, the reason for this is that when you do paper trading, you actually do something very interesting, and that is the fact that you're not worried about your money, because it's not real money, right? It's not real money, and that's why we have a whole section which is coming up, later in like 2 sections, where I talk about your trading mindset. Because when you are doing simulated trading or paper trading, you have the perfect mindset, which is, oh, I don't care about the money. I just focus on the market. I'm just going to focus on the price and everything that I got to focus on, and I'm going to make the perfect trades, right? But when you actually, are using your own real money, it becomes different, right? It becomes very different. So with that being said, my point is that keep in mind, paper trading helps you to get more comfortable, but it's not gonna make you an amazing trader. At some point, you gotta get into actually using real money, and using to build your mentality and build that like mindset of a trader. So it's very important. So use paper trading. It can be very helpful if you want to test stuff. Again, I'm using Webull because that is my platform, because they have an awesome desktop application, which you see behind me right now, and it's quite amazing, the stuff you can do with Webull, and I use it personally for my own day trades and stuff like that. It is really powerful. It is really like useful as well, like when it comes to the strategies, and they have a lot of different stuff. Webull, they got so many widgets and stuff like that. So again, doesn't matter what platform you use for day trading, just don't use platforms that are designed to be simple, such as Robinhood, because it's not going to give you enough information to make a smart trade. All right, just keep that in mind. But yeah, paper trading, use it, and you test your strategies. Now obviously we haven't got into strategies yet, but when we do, you can use it with paper trading, and I'll talk about it more later on. Thank you so much guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.